At EU Business School, we offer a wide variety of master's programs that align with current market trends.
I decided to study a master because it's very important to always stay updated. I have a very strong background in business and marketing, but I wanted to learn more about all the new trends and the new business models.
Our master's programs are designed to equip our students in fundamental skills that are required to thrive in today's global business environments. Our core modules are supplemented by specialization courses that prepare our students to fulfill their career aspirations.
The faculty members at EU Business School who teach the master's program, we have a blend of both academicians as well as real industry leaders.
They have first-hand experiences and examples to show you what is actually happening in the world, and this is very useful to us and our future prospects.
At EU Business School, we promote hands-on learning. Our programs incorporate guest speakers, workshops, live projects that prepare our students for real-life experiences.
So here at EU Business School, we have the opportunity to learn not only theoretical skills, but also practical skills. We have learned from leaders, workshop, we can visit top companies and top businesses. And also today there is the Business Immersion Week, which is really helpful for us and our skills for our future.
At the Career Services Department, we organize networking events to connect with our partners, and also we invite our students to local job fairs and organize our annual career days with international top companies.
The international environment in the EU is one of its key characteristics, and I think it adds a lot of value to the students and the community because you get to learn new perspectives from different angles, different cultures.
If you're looking for a master's program that will equip you in transferable business skills, provide you with individualized career support, and allow you to build global connections, join us at EU Business School and start your success story today.